Happy Dasara to everyone friends, and congratulations if you are watching this video. It means you want to make your career in trading. You want to learn basic, advanced and super advanced price action concepts, and you also want to learn the advanced chart reading so that you can take the trades in Indian stock market, in commodity market, in forex market, in cryptocurrency or in any stock market of entire world. Yes friends, after this big bang offer that I'll be explaining now, once you will take this program, you will be able to take the trading decisions and you will be able to become professional trader so that you can earn consistently from Indian stock market, from forex, from commodity or from cryptocurrency as well. So what this big bang offer is, first of all, this offer is valid only till 19th of October. We are offering this for 5 days big bang offer. But friends, we will close this registrations once the seats will be full for the 50 hours live training. First time in entire history in India, it's going to happen, the 50 hours live training on complete stock market or in any market. Okay, so what this offer will be, friends, understand, 50 hours live training Hindi and English batch that will start from 23rd October to 22nd November. I'll be conducting all these 50 hours live training sessions. Okay, what is the content of this 50 hours live training? There is one more video below this page. Okay, you can watch that video, friends. What all will be covered in this 50 hours live training? Entire 23 slides content is there that you can understand what you will learn in this 50 hours live training. Okay, the price point of ideally this is 59,000. 200 video lectures access we will be giving you parallelly with the 50 hours live training. Okay, so once the 50 hours live training session will start, 200 video lectures access we will also give you. The price point of that is 11,800. 1 year subscription of a chart reading sessions. This is really important, friends. We will give you 24 live market chart reading sessions, 24 offline chart reading sessions. Okay, so in the live market and in offline, in both, okay, every week we will be doing the chart reading sessions. In this, we will plan the trades together, and the most important, we will see how the advanced chart reading is possible. Okay, so friends, every week you will learn practically with us for entire 1 year. Okay, 52 weeks, 48 sessions will be conducted. The price point of this is 48,000. Target price and position size calculator sheet, price point of which is 1,000. One scanner we will also give you, price point of which is 2,000. Regular assignments for practical training, strategies rule template will be given. Trading journal sheet tracker for 1 year will be given. Recordings of 50 hours live training for 1 year, absolutely priceless. Recordings of all the chart reading sessions will be given to you. Continuous learning on Facebook private community. We will add you in our Facebook VIP community in which continuously we will be learning the new points. Answer to every query within 48 hours. So whatever queries you have, even after 50 hours live training, you can ask from us on the mail. The separate email ID will be given to you to ask the query, and the answer to that will be given within 48 hours. Daily analysis video intraday and weekly analysis video weekly. Okay, so every week we will share with you the analysis video of intraday trading opportunities and daily analysis video for intraday trading opportunities, and also Nifty and Bank Nifty movements possible every day. So once you will learn all these with the help of our analysis video and with the help of chart reading sessions, you can earn consistently from the market, and most important, you will be able to take your own decisions. The price point of this complete package is 1,30,300, but only for today. Okay, this offer can expire anytime, friends. 50 hours live training you can enroll until 19th October, but the offer price of 6,998 can be cancelled anytime once this batch will be full. Okay, so you hardly have any time, friends. If you are watching this video, it means the offer is available. So click the below button now and you can make the payment. Immediately you will get the access of these videos. Let me share with you, friends, the schedule of 50 hours live training. What will be the schedule of 50 hours live training? So we will start from 23rd October Saturday. Hindi batch will start from 9 AM to 11 AM, 2 sessions, and English batch 11:30 AM to 1:30 PM. Okay, You can come in Hindi batch and in English batch both. Let me repeat that, friends. You can come in Hindi and English both batches as per your comfort. If you only know English language, you can come in English. If you know both the languages, you can shuffle down. We will send you the link of both the sessions on your email ID every day before the session starts. Okay, so 1 hour before the session starts, link of Zoom will be given on your registered email ID. Whenever you are making the payment, your registered email ID, write that down perfectly, friends. 23rd October, again evening session 4 to 6 p.m. Hindi batch and English 7 to 9 p.m. This PDF is available for download. You can definitely download this, and these sessions will go on till 22nd November. Let me tell you one thing, friends. If we are not able to cover everything in 50 hours live training session, then we might extend this session as well. Okay, we might extend this to 60 hours to 70 hours. Our intention is to, whatever the content is in the 50 hours live training, each and every concept will be 110% clear. Please don't forget to watch the video of the content below this page. So click the button now, friends, and make the payment to confirm your seat. The price point is only rupees 6998 and it can change anytime, friends. Very few seats offerings are there for the price point of rupees 6998. Thereafter, the price point will be increased and it might happen that you don't get the seat for this 50 hours live training. This is going to happen first time in India that we are conducting 50 hours live training on the complete course. It might not happen ever again. So don't miss the opportunity, friends. If you want to know more about me, you can go on to the page down and you can see my bio in that. Goodbye, friends. Take care and happy Dussehra to all of you once again.